Tita.
Tita.
Josh, compress ka nga. Pag ganun,
Message kami.
Yan. Oh, hi.
Hello!
Naka-play na yun sa'yo?
Hindi pa.
Oh, paano mo i-play?
Pwede namang i-edit yan, diba?
Paano yun? Sa akin, naka-play na yan.
Sige na. Hi, man.
Sige. Sige na dito. Dito na lang sa akin. Hi.
Ano mo yan? Nakakuha mo dyan sa natatagpo naman.
Hindi, oo. Hello! Miss Giselle. Kasi nang congratulations, man.
Hi.
Oh, mas bigla ka sa...
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mommy and Tito Miss. Don't.
Hi. Congratulations. Best wishes to both of you. Mitch, take good care of my sister. You're part of our family now. Good luck to both of you. Guys, speak.
Miss Giselle, congratulations. Wish you all the best. Just be happy on your marriage life.
Ani?
Diesel, Mitch, congratulations, best wishes, and I wish you have a blissful marriage.
Hindi.
Tita, ayun, congratulations. And Tita Mitch, congratulations, best wishes.
Josh.
Hi. Congratulations. Best wishes. God bless.
Who else? Lolo? Lolo.
Mitch, Isel, congratulations and best wishes on your wedding day. May your married life be a fruitful one. And my wish for both of you is so that you will have a good relationship. Put God in the center of your lives. Let me take this opportunity also, Mitch, to thank you and your family for welcoming and accepting Isel in your family's fold. I am very thankful for what you have done and your family being so considerate enough to accept my daughter. And by this, we will have peace of mind that even though Isel is away from us, she has a second family to be with, and all the insecurities that we felt for her is already erased. Again, happy wedding day. I love both of you.
We
we love you.
Bye.
Bye. Alisa, say, we love you, Mommy.
Mama.
Mama,
Bye-bye.
choo-choo.
Mama. Chup chup. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mommy. Give me the ball.